So, what is the electronic configuration of CO3 plus? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s0. Okay, so now why the electronic configuration is 4s0, 3d6 ये हमने सीखा था. The next step was 3p यहाँ तक completely filled. 3D में क्या था? 5 orbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. 4s 0. Right? Okay. So इसके बाद से हमने सीखा था कि D के कितने ऑर्बिटल्स हैं? How many orbitals are there in D? Sub shells rather. 5. कौन कौन से बता दो. In D you have D, XY, DY, Z, DZX, DX square minus Y square and DZ square. ठीक है ना. इनके शेप्स कैसे होते हैं? DXY, this is X, this is Y. So dxy is like this. Okay, this is dxy. Dyz is like this. Dzx is like this. Dx square माइनस वाई स्क्वायर कैसे रहता है बता दो. अलॉन्ग एक्स है वाई. वेरी गुड. ये मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ देन ओनली यू विल कम टू नो जो मैं कल बता रहा था. दिस इज डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर एंड व्हाट इज डी जेड स्क्वायर? अलॉन्ग जेड एक्सिस. अलॉन्ग जेड लाइक अ डम्बल. ठीक है, रिंग का मतलब उतना कुछ खास हो नहीं है. मेनली इट इज अलॉन्ग Z axis. The orbital is oriented along Z axis. Okay. Now listen carefully. We are talking of octahedral complex. इसके बाद से मैंने इसका कोई कंपाउंड दिया था तुम लोगों को? नहीं. I didn't give you any compound. केवल CO3 plus का बोला था. Okay, ठीक है. जैसे मान लो कि you are having something like this CO H2O 6 3 plus. Now what will be the geometry of this compound? ऑक्टाहेड्रल ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है ना. ऑक्टाहेड्रल में एक S एंड देन 3P एंड देन 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. This is 4S, 4P and this is 4D. यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर आएगा फ्रॉम द लिगेंड, दूसरा इधर 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 एंड देन हियर. सो 3, 4 एंड देन S P3 D2. So what is the hybridization? sp3 D2 and the geometry is going to be octahedral. Now in octahedral what actually happens is, if you look at the geometry, it's regular. ऐसा रहता है ना. So it is aligned like this. X, Y and then Z is coming out of the plane like this. समझ में आ रहा है? This is the octahedral structure ना. टॉप व्यू अगर देखोगे तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. दिस इज अ स्क्वायर and these are the two axes, perpendicular axes, and the Z is coming out of the plane. Z is coming out of the plane. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. And how many orbitals are there in D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जब भी ligands आते हैं ना, you need to always keep this at the back of your mind that the ligands are going to come here. समझ में आ रहा है? Then only you are going to get tetrahedral structure, otherwise you won't. I'm just trying to make you understand that ज्योमेट्री को कैसे डिसाइड करते हो, वहां पे क्या क्या होता है. So repulsion सबसे ज्यादा कहां पे होगा? Ligands they have lone pair of electrons. Center पे you have the metal. Here in this case you are having CO3 plus. So metal में in CO3 plus ion they are going to be s orbitals electron, p orbitals electron. ये third की बात की, second भी है, first भी है, ठीक है? So there are so many electrons. Now when the ligand is coming, when the ligand is approaching the metal, ligand also has a lone pair of electrons or electrons. Negative charge, either negative charge or lone pair of electron, which is an electron rich. So now the ligands are approaching along the axis to the metal. समझ में आ रहा है? तो axis कौन कौन सी है? It's approaching along x, positive x minus x. This is y, positive y minus y. This is z, positive z minus z. So like charges they always repel each other. Like charges they always repel each other. तो अभी होगा क्या कि out of all of these 5 orbitals, how many orbitals are oriented along the axis? 2. कौन कौन से? This dx square minus y square and this dz square. Now dyz and dxz they are oriented in the plane of y and z. There's no orbital along z or y. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Here also the orbital is like 45 degrees around from x and y. यहाँ पे भी y z के along 45 degrees है, यहाँ पे भी z और x के along 45 degree है. But here in this case d of x square minus y square, the orbital is x and y, oriented along x and along y. Here also the orbital is oriented along z axis. ये बात समझ में आ रही कि नहीं? So when the ligands are approaching from the axis, सबसे ज्यादा repulsion किन orbitals में होने वाला है? वो कौन से हैं? Repulsion होगा मतलब stability बढ़ेगी कि घटेगी? What will happen to the stability? It decreases. And what will happen to the energy? Energy increases. Okay. So now what is going to happen? We say now that the d orbitals, all orbitals are degenerate orbitals. What is the meaning of degeneracy? All of them they have same energy levels. That is, we assume that in d subcell, all of these orbitals, that is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square, all of them they have equal energy. But in octahedral complex, what we have proved, that in D, 2 orbitals, dx square minus y square and dz square, they have higher energy, and the remaining 3, that is dxy, dyz and dxz, lower energy. Means the d orbital will split. The d orbital जिसमें 5 सबशेल्स होते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, ये 2 पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट करता है. d सबशेल splits further into 2 parts. ये लोअर स्टेट में 3 आ जाते हैं, हायर स्टेट में 2 आ जाते हैं. तो लोअर स्टेट में जो 3 आते हैं वो कौन कौन से हो गए? This is dxy, d yz and dxz, and this will be dx square minus y square and dx.